Most Toyota hybrid owners assume a drop in fuel economy or electric driving means the hybrid battery is wearing out. In many cases, the battery isn't the problem at all. The real culprit is a setting hidden in plain sight that quietly changes how your hybrid uses its battery every time you drive. There are no warning lights, no obvious symptoms, and no recall. Instead, the system gradually relies on the gasoline engine more often, making it seem as though the battery has lost performance. I've seen this repeatedly on the Prius, Camry Hybrid, RAV4 Hybrid, and Sienna Hybrid. Owners come in convinced they need a new battery, but the issue is often a combination of settings and habits that make the hybrid system work harder than necessary. One of the biggest is the climate control system. Unlike a conventional gasoline vehicle, Toyota hybrids use an electric air conditioning compressor powered directly by the high-voltage traction battery. Every time the AC runs, it draws energy from the same battery that powers the electric motor. Leave the climate control in full auto with a very low temperature, and the compressor works at maximum output as soon as the vehicle starts. The battery drains faster, prompting the hybrid system to start the gasoline engine sooner to restore its charge. Many Toyota hybrids include an eco-climate function that reduces compressor load and moderates fan operation while keeping the cabin comfortable. By lowering the climate system's energy demand, more battery power remains available for electric driving, allowing the hybrid system to operate more efficiently. The benefit is especially noticeable in hot weather, stop-and-go traffic, and frequent short trips where air conditioning demand is highest. Using the air conditioner isn't the problem. The issue is allowing it to consume more battery power than necessary every time you drive. One overlooked setting can quietly reduce electric driving and fuel economy without ever triggering a warning light. And it's only the first of several settings that can silently drain your hybrid's efficiency. Another setting that can quietly reduce your hybrid's efficiency is Power Mode, labeled PWR or Sport on some Toyota models. It makes the vehicle feel quicker by sharpening throttle response, but that responsiveness changes how the hybrid system manages the gasoline engine and electric motor. Compared with normal mode, the engine is more likely to stay running during acceleration and other driving conditions where electric power could otherwise do more of the work. That means fewer opportunities for electric-only operation and lower fuel economy over time. Many drivers activate power mode for highway merging or climbing steep hills, then forget to switch back. On models that remember the selected drive mode after shutdown, every trip begins with the hybrid system favoring performance instead of its normal efficiency-focused calibration. Normal mode is Toyota's default because it balances engine operation, electric motor assistance, and regenerative braking to maximize efficiency under everyday driving conditions. Power mode is best reserved for situations where the extra responsiveness is genuinely useful, not as a permanent setting. Using power mode occasionally won't harm your hybrid, but leaving it engaged every day can quietly reduce the efficiency Toyota's hybrid system is designed to deliver. The next issue is even less obvious because it can affect your vehicle while it's parked, drawing power in the background without most owners ever noticing. Not every battery-related issue happens while you're driving. On some Toyota hybrids, a system designed for convenience can continue drawing power even after the vehicle has been turned off. That system is the Data Communication Module, the built-in cellular modem that supports features like the Toyota app, emergency assistance, and vehicle communication. Under normal operation, it enters a low-power sleep mode after the vehicle is shut down, minimizing its impact on the 12-volt battery. However, Toyota issued Technical Service Bulletin TSB-0008-21 after discovering that some DCMs failed to enter sleep mode. Instead, they remained active and continued communicating over the cellular network, creating an abnormal drain on the 12-volt auxiliary battery. Affected vehicles include certain model years of the Camry Hybrid, RAV4 Hybrid, Corolla Hybrid, and RAV4 Prime. Although this issue doesn't drain the high-voltage traction battery directly, it can still leave a hybrid unable to start. That's because the 12-volt battery powers the vehicle's control systems and allows it to enter ready mode. If its voltage drops too low, the hybrid system can't initialize, even with a fully charged traction battery. Owners may notice the vehicle struggling to start after sitting for several days, or the red SOS indicator remaining illuminated after startup. If either symptom appears, it's worth asking a Toyota dealer whether your vehicle qualifies for the DCM firmware update. The update corrects the communication issue and helps prevent unnecessary battery drain while the vehicle is parked. If you found this video helpful so far, consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing. It helps the channel and allows me to keep bringing you practical Toyota hybrid advice. Many Toyota hybrid owners assume EV mode is the most efficient way to drive because it forces the vehicle to run on electric power. In reality, it was designed for limited situations, not everyday driving. EV mode works best during short, low-speed trips on level roads when the battery has enough charge and power demand is low. Under those conditions, the electric motor can move the vehicle without assistance from the gasoline engine. Problems arise when drivers use EV mode while accelerating hard, climbing hills, driving at higher speeds, or running heavy electrical loads like the air conditioner. Once the battery can no longer meet the demand, the hybrid system automatically starts the gasoline engine and exits EV mode. Those forced transitions can use more fuel than simply leaving the vehicle in normal mode, where the hybrid control system continuously balances the gasoline engine and electric motor based on driving conditions. Toyota designed EV mode as a situational feature, not a fuel-saving mode for every trip. Using it only when conditions are appropriate allows the hybrid system to operate as intended and deliver the best overall efficiency. The next habit doesn't affect your hybrid while you're driving. It affects it while it's parked, slowly drawing power in the background without most owners realizing it. One final habit many owners overlook isn't related to driving at all. It's how often they check their vehicle through the Toyota app. Every time the app refreshes your vehicle's status, it wakes the data communication module to retrieve information from the car. Under normal use, this has little impact, but repeatedly refreshing the app while the vehicle is parked increases activity from the module and places additional demand on the 12-volt battery. For most owners, checking the app once or twice a day is more than enough. If the vehicle will be parked for an extended period, minimizing unnecessary app refreshes can help reduce battery drain. Toyota also recommends maintaining the 12-volt battery during long-term storage, especially if the vehicle will sit unused for several weeks. Although the Toyota app doesn't drain the high-voltage hybrid battery directly, it highlights an important principle behind every topic we've covered. Your hybrid performs best when the systems that support it operate as Toyota intended. Whether it's choosing the right climate setting, avoiding unnecessary use of power mode, using EV mode only when conditions are suitable, or ensuring your vehicle's communication system is functioning properly, each decision influences how efficiently the hybrid system manages its energy. None of these habits will destroy a Toyota hybrid overnight. Instead, they create a gradual decline in efficiency that many owners mistake for battery wear. Understanding how the system is designed to operate helps preserve the performance and fuel economy Toyota hybrids are known for. If you found this video helpful, make sure to watch the next one, where I'll share more practical tips to help you get the most from your Toyota hybrid.